What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Cubone from Pokemon. Let's get started in the center of our page with the top edge of the eyes. We leave a large gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and then we'll bend that out. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Going up and then bending that out. Let's go back to the inside and curve the bottom of the eye. Starting back on the left, come down and then out. And then we'll connect the top and bottom with a curve. So we're just going to bend this out toward the left and back in towards the bottom. Let's add a thick edge along the outside. From the top, we'll step down. Let's follow that same curve, going out and then back in. And we'll push the pupils towards the inside. Starting on the top left, we'll draw a circle, going out, down, and then in. Line this up on the right. And then we'll add a highlight along the top. Start back over on the left and draw a half circle, coming down and then up. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll fill the bottoms of the eyes in black. Let's go to the bottom of the eyes and draw two large fangs. We're going to start on the left, curve out, and then bend that in. And then from the bottom, curve up and then in. And then from the inside of the fang, we're going to curve the head coming down and in toward the center point. Let's start on the left, come down, bend that in, go out and up on the right. And now we're going to move up and draw in the nostrils. Leaving a gap in the center, let's start on the left. Curve up and then out. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. And then from the top, go out and bend that down. And connect the outside to the inside with a straight angled line. Let's add a thick edge along the outside of the nostril. Stepping down, follow that same curve, going across to the bottom, and then fill the inside of the nostrils in black. Let's go out and draw on the side of the head. On the left side of the fang, curve the head going up and then out. Line this up on the right. And then from the outside, we're just going to curve the head going out and then up. And then from here, curve up and in with a short line just beside the eye. And then from that top corner, we're going to step in, curve out, and then up with a short line. And then we'll bend the head coming in and up towards the horns. Come in and then up. Let's go back to the left side and draw the bottom edge of the horn. We're going to draw a straight angled line going up and out. We'll do the same thing on the right. And we'll round up the tip of the horns. Going around and pulling that in. Now the horns are going to get wider as they come back in towards the head. So let's start from the top, come down an angle. At the bottom, we're just going to pull this in. Let's close off the top of the head. On the left, we're going to step up, curve up in the middle, and then back down on the right. Let's go back down and add some cracks along the bottom of the head. We start on the left, angle up and in, go straight in towards the eye, go up and in towards the inside. Let's go over towards the right, angle up and in, come down and in towards the eye, and then pull that up. Let's go back and add another crack, going up and then out. And then from the bottom of the right nostril, we curve out and then down. Now that we completed the head, let's move down and draw on the body. We start over on the left side, we're going to draw a half oval. We go out, down towards the bottom of the oval, and just pull that back up on the right side. Now we're going to add a patch across the top of the body. Starting back on the left, go up in the middle, and then bend that back down. Let's go to the side of the body and draw on the thighs. We start on the top left, curve out, and then bend that back in. Line this up on the right. And then from the bottom of the thigh, we're going to curve the foot, going out and then down towards the edge of the toe. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting back on the left, come down, and then up towards the heel. And we'll curve the legs going up and in underneath the body. Let's separate the toe. From the top, we're going to step down, curve in, and then down toward the bottom of the foot. Let's go back up and draw the inside edge of the arms. From the top of the body, we're going to step down, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Now the left arm is going to be holding the bone. So let's start from the wrist, come down and then out, and we'll draw a half circle, going up and then down on the outside, and then pull the hand, going out, up, and then in. Then from the top of the hand, we're going to step out, curve the arm going up, and then in behind the side of the head. Let's layer the bone in behind the hand. From those bottom points, we draw two straight angle lines going down and out. And then from the bottom, curve out towards the side. Let's pull the bone coming back in with a curve. And we'll pull this in and up toward the center point. Now we're going to go over towards the right side and draw on the thumb. From the wrist, we're going to draw a half circle, coming down, and then up, and then we'll add the claw. Coming down with a straight line, go up underneath the finger. Let's go to the outside of that claw, curve the hand coming down, out, and then just pull that in, step back, curve the arm going up, and in behind the head. Let's bring the tail out towards the right side, starting from the inside of the left leg, curve down, and then out in behind the right leg. Continue on the outside, going out, and then up. Now the tail is going to get thicker as you come back in. Come straight in, bend that up, and that's pretty much it. There's Cubone from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe, and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.